One way to do that is to create what we call templates within Teams. So you can create a Teams template that says whenever you create a new team or whenever you create a new channel, you select from a set of templates. And those templates might include a custom app already built into the tab structure, or maybe an integration with Monday already set up and ready to go and ready for you to log into, or setups for social media platforms, or whatever the case may be. The idea is you can templatize that stuff in Teams, and you should. That way you have control over it. That way, in a moment's notice, you can do an audit that show me all my teams and show me what templates are leveraged for each team. That's a great way to get a sense of, an introductory sense of what kind of apps are kind of sprawled out there for those particular teams. Certainly, there's always the fine-tooth comb that'll need to be gone through, but at least it gives you a heads up, or a leg up, I should say, for getting started on that audit journey. Because apps can get really out of hand just like anything else can.